If you've been wondering about referral bonuses on Bitwala, the answer is a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. Bitwala, the German crypto banking service, was a well-known name in the space, but the company went through a significant change. After facing some challenges, the original entity went bankrupt and was liquidated. The brand and some of the intellectual property were then acquired by a new team. So, when you're asking about referral bonuses on Bitwala, you have to be careful about which version you're talking about. The new Bitwala that has been relaunched is a different company with a different model. Currently, the new Bitwala doesn't appear to have a publicly available, standard refer-a-friend program with bonuses like some other crypto platforms. Their focus seems to be on their core services, offering a mobile app that allows you to manage crypto and a Euro account, with a virtual IBAN and a Visa debit card for payments. They've stated their aim is to be a crypto-friendly bank for everyday use. This is a key difference from many other platforms that heavily market referral bonuses as a way to grow their user base. While some platforms offer a flat bonus for both the referrer and the new user, or a percentage of trading fees, Bitwala's current model is more about providing a straightforward, functional service. So, if you're looking for a referral bonus, you might not find one on the new Bitwala platform. The best way to know for sure is to check the official Bitwala website or their app directly for any current promotions or programs. They may introduce one in the future, but as of now, it's not a primary feature of their service.